Hey guys, it's Marky Sparky here. Today we're going to learn how to make arrows and rockets out of 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. It doesn't take very long. I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly. Start with a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. You can color on it, make all kinds of fun designs, anything you want. I'm going to make it as quickly as possible. They can be very unattractive or they can be very fun. Just depends on how you work. So you start with the corner of the paper. I took this off my Fauxbow here, launch tube. You can take your Blastpad one off too. You use it and you use the corner just like that. And all you do is roll it, keeping it tight. Okay, now I use black tape because you can see it very well. You can use any color tape, clear tape. All you do is tape that little corner right there. See, there's a little teeny corner sticking out. You just tape it, and that's it. At that point, now you have to get the tip out. You push it out like so. Take your scissors, cut the end off. Now you have this weird looking ugly part right here. All I'm going to do is take some tape, smash it up, and tape a tip on it. That's it. So it can be ugly, it can be nice, you can put anything on here, but all it needs is a little bit of tape to make a point. Now, how do you do the tail? Oh, let's decorate it first. Okay, you can come back in, you can put dots on it, you can write your name, you can say Sparky rules. Ooh, I spelled my name wrong. Ooh, I spelled it wrong again. Okay, whatever. Rules. Okay, now, how do you put the fins on? Now, I pre-cut 3 little pieces of tape. Like that. You don't have to pre-cut them, but it's easier for video. All you do, get close up here. Okay, so you fold it like this, like a little T shape. You see that okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then you put it on there like that. That's it. Okay, simple. Now, same thing. Fold it like that. I have a T, and you make 3, hopefully in 3 different spots. So simple, even I can do it. Little T, again, accuracy, not that big a deal. You can see how they're kind of equidistant. Now you take your scissors and you cut a little bit of an angle. So now they kind of look like a rocket ship. I don't know, is that okay? Can you see that?
Can you put it on against the white?
Yeah. So it looks sort of like that. Again, the neater you make it, the more fun it is, but it makes no difference. They fly great. So now you got this great arrow that says rules. Can't really read it very well, but that took me really quick. Take your launch tube, screw it back on. Put your arrow on here like that and shoot it. Now, last thing. You gotta make sure, since you're putting a tip on these arrows, we don't know where it's gonna fly. Wear eye protection. Very important because you're shooting something that will go farther than one of these because it's lighter, and it will probably even go straighter than these because, again, it's lighter, you're making it very quick, it's got good balance on it. Wear eye protection. Also, subscribe to my channel. See, I didn't forget this time. Subscribe to the Marky Sparky Toys channel. Sparky out.